Are you unknowingly risking your Nintendo Switch data and performance by not closing your games properly? Today, we're showing you the right way to close games on your Nintendo Switch, whether you're docked or playing on the go, to keep everything running smoothly. Let's start with handheld mode. When you're finished playing a game, don't just hit the power button, or return to the home screen. That simply puts the game in sleep mode. To properly close the game, press and hold the home button on your right Joy-Con. This will take you back to the home menu. Now, with the game highlighted, press the X button on your right Joy-Con. Small menu will pop up asking if you want to close the software. Select close and press it. This completely shuts down the game, freeing up system resources. The process is exactly the same when your Switch is docked. Use your Joy-Cons or Pro Controller to navigate to the game you want to close on the home menu. Again, press the X button. Confirm by selecting close and pressing A, and that's it. Remember, completely closing your games ensures you aren't losing progress and helps your Nintendo Switch run at its best. Make this a habit, and you'll be gaming worry-free. Subscribe for more Nintendo Switch tips and tricks. What are your favorite Nintendo Switch games? Let us know in the comments below.